So this is how you make a green smoothie. Okay, I'll show you some of our ingredients. It's not very hard. So here's some celery, a cube brick of dragon fruit, and then we have a secret ingredient. Okay, this part is a bit advanced. Okay, make sure you have a dough for this part. Okay, now time to put it in the blender. Okay, don't forget to wash your hands. That was step 1. Now time to put it in the blender. Do this. Okay, now we gotta put the lid on. Now it's time to reveal our secret ingredient. Yes, okay. You put 2 drops in there. Makes it purple. So, boom. Yeah. Okay. Now time to blend. Okay. Now it's time to try. Okay. Okay, time to put it in there. Oh. That noise is so good.
Yum, yum, yum in my tum.
3, 2, 1.
That's
good.
Yeah,
Oh,
great. Oh, there's the meal. Coating it nicely.
There's the dragon fruit.
It just like feels like grime. Tastes like.
It's not too bad.
It doesn't taste too bad, but like, would you like if someone like came to you and like, hey, have some of this stuff. It's pretty good.
I don't think I would say yes. I think I would say like, what is it? And they'd be like,
I would just leave.
I just like go. Okay, that's.
Oh, you have to guess.
You'll figure it out.
You'll figure it out.
Is it gross?
No, it's actually pretty okay.
Would you try it first?
We already did.
Look, we already did.
It's on camera. Try it. Come on. Try
There's
it.
definitely celery in this.
Try it.
I'll do it. No, you gotta try more.
It's blueberries or something?
Nope.
Celery, Mio, and dragon fruit.
And water.
And water rice.
Join us next time for sand and tomato pancakes, if that's what's right.